it searches the pop red gadget, which will be done in less than a second. Oh, there it is, and it sent over the actual. It sent over the. Yeah, it searches on the stack for the data the pattern we put in. You see, it found the pattern at some address on the stack, and then it creates a fake object with exactly this address as object handlers, and then it creates the request that uses this object and destroys it. And what it does, it returns into some PHP code that actually spawns a shell on 4444, which is the PHP shell. I just already connected to it here. It's nothing else than just a thing that receives data and evals what you send it and give you back what it does. So you can just put in PHP code, PHP info, and you have PHP info again, or you put in system, you name a, you see it's a Fedora, and the last one, to prove that we are Apache, user bin ID, and you see we are Apache. I hope you can see that from behind. We are Apache, and yeah, that was a demonstration. Finished. Actually, I don't know, any questions?
Does Suhosin protect against any of the stuff you're doing?
What I presented at SysCan would be protected by Suhosin. This time when I used the object destructor way, this would not be protected, but Suhosin would make leaking the place where you are in memory harder, because right now Suhosin will, I showed you that when you free some memory, the first bytes will be overwritten with the previous block. But with the latest Suhosin version, this is obfuscated, the pointer. So what you would receive would be an obfuscated pointer, and when this is reused as a string, it will be some garbage, because the string will use a real pointer, but it will be obfuscated pointer, so it will crash. Oh, yeah. So yeah. And when you have Suhosin patch, the latest one, it will not work like this. It will be possible somehow to get around this, but yeah. It's a lot harder with Suhosin. Yeah. No more questions? I somehow expected that.